Hello.
Hi.
We are from
Malaysia.
we are from class PSV, and today we are going to talk about our daily lives. Okay, so I think Eunice gonna start it.
Alright, so I'm gonna start. So I will share about yesterday events. Okay. Yesterday in the morning, I didn't wake up early. I wake up late. Not wake up. I woke up. I woke up late yesterday because I stay up all night before I woke up yesterday because I do assignment for the PB, and that's why I woke up late. And then after that we have a Zoom, a Google Meet. That is yesterday, and then after that okay, and then after that Wanda asked me to join her brisk walk.
Yes.
So I get up from my desk, from my table, and I wear a
Shirt.
sport shirt, and we go brisk walk together. While brisk walking, we share a lot of story with Wanda and also Jack, and it's it's always it's fun and relaxing at the same time. Well, there's many people spending their time on the recreation area, such as the court tennis, the basketball court, and also the field. They are playing hockey. They are playing volleyball. They're also playing netball and basketball. There's even a lecturer playing tennis, and we saw our lecturer okay, our PSB lecturer, and they are playing tennis. So it looks so productive and a healthy lifestyle. So the community here is so fun, and they are so very friendly, and we got to know each other well because we
What?
what do we call it? We friendly.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now
Okay.
move on.
Whose turn?
Okay.
Okay, it's your turn.
Okay, it's my turn to talk about my my day yesterday. I also had a slow morning. I woke up at around 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Oh.
11 o'clock. I was also up doing my assignment for the PB, and it took me about a couple of hours to only complete one section for my assignment. And I basically spent the whole day doing exactly that, and then I didn't join them for the brisk walk. I sat at my desk for a couple of hours, and after that I made dinner. With bread and coffee to stay up for the night again. And I also we also plan on matching today with this new IPG clothes design. Yes. And then after that after I drink coffee, I stayed up all night, and that's basically my day yesterday. Not productive at all. Okay. Your turn.
Okay, move on to me. So yesterday I woke up like 8 a.m. and I ate 2 pieces of bread with some Nutella on the top.
So detailed.
Yes, yes. And then I'm starting doing my assignment just like them. And like it takes me from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. and then like start from 3:30 p.m.
Around
3:30.
Yes, it's around 3:30.
Yeah.
I'm stopped with that, and then I want to go to the brisk walk with
With
my
me.
friends. Yes, with Eunice and
And
Jack.
It's me.
And then we stop at around 8 p.m.
8. OMG.
It
yeah.
was
8
almost
PM,
9 when
yes.
they came back.
Yes.
And I was waiting.
Because we got a lot of
Yes, we got a
story.
lot of topic to
Yeah.
say together. Okay, and then after that, I started doing my assignment again, and then it's like around 12 p.m. I'm going to sleep.
AM.
You
Yes.
sleep or you play your phone?
No, I'm playing my phone.
Me too. I
And I
scroll
too.
on Shopee before I sleep every night.
Yes.
Me too. I know. For me, I don't scroll Shopee. I play Roblox with
Every night before I sleep.
Not 12. Not 12 p.m.
12
11.
a.m.
Oh, you.
11. Yes.
So you stop doing your assignment at 11?
Yes. 11.
I see.
And then she went to sleep on 12.
Yes.
Wow, so productive.
So productive.
Because I sleep almost 2 a.m. last night.
OMG.
takay.
1:56.
OMG,
Not productive,
you
guys.
you remembered that?
Yes, because I actually look at the time before I sleep.
Bye.
That's all.
Bye. That's
all.
all from us. Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye.